Hello wonderful people! I am Charlotte, back with another short grammar explanation video for you. This time on the topic of a and an. Now, if you're not a beginner student, probably you are thinking, easy. However, there are still some which can catch you out. So keep listening. In this video, we will be going over the basic rules of a and an, but we will also be looking at some of the exceptions to this rule. By the end of the video, I hope you will be confident to know exactly when you have to use a and an in English. So let's get into it. Before we start, I just want to check that you know the difference between a vowel and a consonant in English. A vowel is either an A, I, E, O or U. Consonants are all the other letters in the alphabet. A is used with a noun that begins with a consonant. So let's take a look at some examples. A squirrel, a house, a car, a pillow, a firefighter. But we have an, which is a noun that begins with a vowel. For example, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, and an apple. Okay, hopefully this should be very straightforward, very easy. However, look at these words. A UFO, a one-eyed pirate, a United Nation. These all start with a vowel, but why are we using a and not an? It all comes down to the sound that the first letter is creating. Let's take the first one. Now, if we think back to umbrella, we have the short U sound, so an umbrella, umbrella. However, if we think of the sound that the UFO is making, it is a U sound, as in you. And then it wouldn't have a vowel at the beginning. The same with unicorn, or united, or used, for example. Let's take a look at the one beginning with O. If you think back to earlier, we had an orange. We had the short vowel sound O for the letter O. So we had O, orange, O, orange. But here we have one-eyed pirate. One is like the word one. So here again, the an is not needed because the sound is as if there is a W there. Let's look at another set of exceptions. An hour, an honourable man. Here we are adding an, but the next word is beginning with a consonant. So why are we using an? Because in these words, the H is silent, meaning it is as if we are just saying the O, honourable, hour. We are not saying hour, honourable. However, not all words with HO will take an. It really depends on the sound. For example, the word hotel, hotel, we have the H, so we say a hotel. We don't say an hotel. Okay, your turn. On the screen, you will see some different questions. What I would like you to do is put a or an into the gaps. You can write your answers in the comments below and I will check them for you. I will also add the answers in a comment so that you can check them yourself. but I would love to see your answers all the same. Also, if you would like to write your own sentences to practice with a and an, I would be happy to check them in the comments below. I look forward to seeing all your responses. Okay, if you enjoyed this short video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week for the next video. So until then, bye for now.